Hello, wonderful and amazing people. I've come again with another gist. Hey, my dear wonderful and amazing people, I greet you now according to the time when this video will get to you. No be small thing dey shele. Hey, there is fire on the mountain. Oh, this drama, when is it going to finish? As I dey tell una, Olori Ashley has been released from the palace, but she did not insist creating drama in the palace. We thought that this her release and this thing that happened will turn her to a better person, but she said lie that she will not agree for Queen Naomi. The Queen Naomi wey she dey say she no go agree for wey be Queen Naomi wey she send for to go and plead Kabiyesi on her behalf for her to be released. Hey! As Queen Naomi come talk to Kabiyesi and Kabiyesi come order dem make dey release Queen Naomi, na so she came back come begin dey give Queen Naomi gbas up and down. Immediately she came back and she saw Queen Naomi for the palace, her body con ten t, everything concern her come change. She come dey act somehow even though when Queen Naomi was greeting her, she no even answer, she no even talk to am. Na so she come dey enter dey shout say make dey give am key to the royal minor. Hey! Na so she come dey talk. Queen Naomi no even utter any word, no even talk. As e come dey shout, come call one of the house servant wey dey for the palace. E come tell am say abeg I dey say make you give me royal key make I enter. Where im keep am make dey find am give am make she kukuma enter go bath and rest. Hey! No be small thing oo, no be small thing. As e come talk, the house help tell am say that the royal minor key is now with Queen Naomi. Na so she come change am. She come dey para dey say why, what, how did it happen? Why would she take the royal minor key with her? Na so she kukuma carry herself go meet Queen Naomi where she dey. She come dey shout for Queen Naomi say where is the key, that the Queen Naomi should give her the key. The manner she was even saying it, the thing shock Queen Naomi. Queen Naomi come dey say no be dis person dey beg me to go and plead Kabiyesi on her behalf. So na so she come talk. Queen Naomi come tell am say that she no go give anybody the royal minor key again. Hey! Na so she come begin dey talk dey say dey ask Queen Naomi that who gave her the guts to talk to her in that manner. Hey! No be small thing oo. Say she dey talk and she still dey talk. Say Queen Naomi no get manners again. Queen Naomi come tell am say lie no be that time wey dey dey operate am up and down dey talk to am, dey maltreat am. That time wey dey frustrated her in the palace that makes her to run away from that. Now that her eyes don open, she don mature, that's why she come back, that she is fully prepared for them in and out. Hey! No be small thing my dear brothers and sisters oo. As dey talk, she come push Queen Naomi. Queen Naomi come tell am say why she dey push her, say make her hand no touch her again. Na so Queen Naomi come talk. She come say why, how? Why would she say something like that? Why would she say make her hand no touch her again? Na so she come woz Queen Naomi slap for face. Hey! No be small thing oo. She said that Queen Naomi should learn how to talk to her. She come say Queen Naomi no even utter any word. she come dey curse Queen Naomi. Na somebody wey dey just release wey need rest o. No be small thing my dear brothers and sisters, as she come dey para, na so Queen Naomi jejely stand up, e no utter any word, e come woz Olori Ashley two hot slap, come tell am say if you no get manners, you go get manners by fire by force. Come tell Olori Ashley say dis slap wey I give you make im reset your brain. Na there drama start o. Na so she come dey para say Queen Naomi slap am say she no go even look say Queen Naomi get belle, dat she go treat her fuck up, dat she go treat her fuck up. Be like say she wan learn from the hard way. She wan learn from the hard way my dear brothers and sisters, no be small thing dey shele o. As dey come dey para dey talk, na so Kabiyesi come carry himself enter, because Kabiyesi dey im chamber dey sleep o. Na so im carry himself enter. Kabiyesi begin dey ask say what is happening. Na so Olori Ashley come begin dey cry, her camouflage cry, begin dey cry, dey pre ten d say Queen Naomi slap am o. She come dey talk, na so Queen Naomi come stand dey look am. E say e just tell Queen Naomi make dat he pleaded Queen Naomi o, make im give am key to Royal Minor. Queen Naomi come slap am. Kabiyesi said is impossible, that he knows Queen Naomi very well, but let him not be like he's always partial like they said. My dear brothers and sisters, no be small thing dey happen o. No be small thing dey shele. As e come talk like dat, na so Kabiyesi come ask Queen Naomi wetin happen. Queen Naomi begin dey talk, dey tell Kabiyesi said dat she enter, she dey greet am, she no ask am. She come dey shout say make dey give am Royal Minor key. So she no even talk to am. Na so she come where she dey, come tell am say make im give am the key. She no utter any word. She come say she no go give her any key. Na so Olori Ashley come woz her slap. So for her too, that she just retaliated over what she did to her. She slap her back. No be small thing my dear brothers and sisters o, no be small thing dey happen o. Na so Kabiyesi come tell am say shebi you just came back, drama come start. Dis woman wey you dey fight now, na she pleaded on your behalf and you are released. Now dat you are released, you come back, dat wetin you go use tell am thank you be say to woz her slap. So as Olori Ashley come talk, Kabiyesi come talk. So as im come talk finish, na so Olori Ashley come dey cry, dey do gangan for im body, come dey cry dey said dat because she's now in the prison, Kabiyesi come carry Olori Queen Naomi come to the palace, come stay with am. Said na cheating, say she no go gree. Said dat Kabiyesi na her husband, Kabiyesi na only Kabiyesi she get. Said nobody, dat she no go share anybody with Kabiyesi again. Sho! Na so Kabiyesi come tell am say dis woman you dey sick for head, wetin, why you dey hug me like dis? Say you never bath, you just came back from the prison, you never bath, you come carry your dead body dey hug me up and down, shey wetin dey happen? Why you go dey hug me like dis? No be small thing my dear brothers and sisters o. Na so Kabiyesi come shout for am, tell am say make she kukuma carry herself go bath, say why she go dey go? He come dey tell Kabiyesi say the way im dey treat am say im no like am, say the way im dey handle am say im no like am, say why im go dey tell am something like dat, say im dey tell am say e no go share e no go share anybody with Kabiyesi, say dat royal prince be for im son, say dat royal title is for im son, say prince Ademakinwa na prince of Ile-Ife, say tell Kabiyesi make im prepare pronounce prince Ademakinwa as the prince of Ile-Ife. My dear brothers and sisters, no be small thing o. Na so Kabiyesi come talk say Olori Ashley maybe dem dey feel dat she need to rush to the hospital, make dem kukuma carry am go hospital go check am well, say the way she dey talk dey act no be normal. My dear brothers and sisters, na so she begin dey cry and Kabiyesi come order the house servant make dem kukuma carry am make she go bath. Na so Kabiyesi come pet am tell am say e don hear, make she go bath first, have a rest, dat dis thing wey she dey do now she don need am, dat what she need at dis moment na to rest. My dear brothers and sisters, no be small thing o, no be small thing dey shele o, no be small thing dey happen for the palace. If you get to my channel, please try to subscribe, like for more updates and remain blessed. Just have in mind dat all the stories wey we dey bring to una na alleged stories wey dey fry for social media space. Thanks for watching and remain blessed. Bye bye.